soothing nature scene, with birds chirping and leaves rustling in the wind. Welcome back to Therapy Healing, the series where we explore different aspects of therapy and mental health. In today's episode, we'll be discussing how therapy can help heal trauma. Cut to a therapist's office, with the therapist sitting in a comfortable chair and the camera focused on them. Therapist: trauma can have a lasting impact on our mental and emotional well-being. It can lead to anxiety, depression, and a host of other issues. But with the right therapy, it's possible to heal from trauma and regain a sense of peace and well-being. Voiceover: so, what kind of therapy is best for healing trauma? Cut to a shot of a person lying on a couch during a therapy session. Therapist: there are many different types of therapy that can be effective for trauma, including cognitive behavioral therapy, EMDR, and psychodynamic therapy. The right approach depends on the individual and their specific needs. Voiceover: one technique that many therapists use for trauma healing is called exposure therapy. Cut to a shot of a therapist and client working through exposure therapy. Therapist: in exposure therapy, we gradually expose the client to the memories and emotions associated with the traumatic event. This can help the client process the trauma in a safe and controlled environment and eventually reduce their symptoms. Voiceover: another technique that's often used in trauma therapy is called mindfulness. Cut to a shot of a person meditating. Therapist: mindfulness involves focusing on the present moment and accepting our thoughts and feelings without judgment. This can help us become more aware of our reactions to trauma triggers, and eventually learn to respond to them in a more positive way. Voiceover: ultimately, the most important thing in healing from trauma is finding a therapist who you feel comfortable with and who can guide you through the healing process. Closing shot: the therapist's office again, with the therapist smiling at the camera. Therapist: thanks for watching Therapy Healing. Remember, there's no shame in seeking therapy for trauma. It's a brave and important step in your healing journey. Voiceover: until next time, take care of yourself and each other.